Hello viewers, this video I am going to start with the first chapter of class 11 mathematics. This Now let us see what are sets and how they are represented. A set is a collection of objects of a particular. So you can see we have a collection of objects of has some given feature, then we say that as a set. Say for example, odd natural numbers less than 10. The odd natural numbers less than 10 include 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Another example is the rivers of India. Another example, the vowels in the English alphabet, namely A, E, I, O. Now, if any person want to define odd natural numbers less than 10, it is going to be 1, 3, 5 and similarly, if any person wants to say what are the vowels in English alphabet, it is going to be A, E, I, O, U. So, the values do not vary from person to only those collection of objects can be called a set. Collection of object varies from one person to another, then we cannot call that as a. Now, let us see what are the various sets used in mathematics. First, we have to be familiar with all these notations. First one is n. N represent the set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers include 0, 1, 2, etc. till the next one is z. Z represents the set of all integers. Set of all integers includes positive numbers and the negative. So it ranges from minus infinity to plus infinity. Next one is q, the set of all rational numbers. This all numbers written in the form p by q, where p and q are called rational, the set of all rational numbers. Then the next we have the set of real numbers, which includes both rational numbers and irrational numbers like square roots, values of square roots. Next one is z plus. Z plus indicates the set of positive. Next we have q plus. Q plus indicates the set of positive rational numbers, and r plus denotes set of positive real numbers. Now let us see the definition of set. Is a well-defined collection of objects. Actually, you can say either it is collection of objects or elements or members. All these are synonymous terms. Then next one is sets are usually denoted by capital letters. So usually they are denoted by A, capital A, B, or they are usually denoted by capital letters. The elements of a set are represented by small letters. All those elements in the set, they are represented by small letters. Now, if we have a set A is equal to, let's say A, B and A is equal to A, B, C and D. If any element belongs to this set A, then we denote it with an epsilon. This symbol is called, it is a Greek symbol and called. So we can say A, small a belongs to this capital A, because this is an element of this set. So we can write A belongs to A. Now let us consider another element E. Is this E in our given set A? Our given set A has got only A, B, C and D. Does not have the element. So we can write E does not belong to. So this is how we have to represent whether an element belongs to a set or does not belong to a set using this Another property of set is the elements in a set are not dead. Now let us say, now let us take the case of a set B is equal to set of alphabets in the word class. If we denote B as the set of alphabets in the word class, then this B is equal to L A S. Does not include another. So the elements in a set are not dead. So hence the definition of set is, it is a well defined collection of objects, and can call the elements in a set as objects or members of a. Now what are the various ways in which a set can be represented? We have two forms. One is the roster or tabular form, and the other one is the set builder form. The usual way in which we represent a set, say suppose the vowels in an English alphabet noted by A, E, I, O, or the set of natural numbers less than 5, 1, 4. This way of representing with two brackets and with the commas in between the members is called roster or tabular form. The next form is set builder form. In this set builder form, here it is represented as all the elements of a set which possess a single common property. So what is the single common property which all the elements of the set possess? That we have to identify and we can write. That form is called set builder form. Here all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the. Now here is an example. Here this is an example in which a set is written the set builder form. Here we have to read this as A is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number which divides 42. This is how we have to A equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number which divides 42. Here this single common, the property is x is a natural number which divides. So this is how we can represent a given set in the set builder. You can also write this in the tabular form as, or roster form as, A is equal to, now what are the various numbers which divides 42? Have 1 divides 42, 2 divides 42, 3, then 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. So these are the various natural numbers which divide 42. So this form is called the set builder form, and this form is the roster or tabular. Next we will go on with our exercise question. The first question, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First question says, the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter. Do you know the various months of the year? And those months which begin with the letter is January, and July. So any person who is going to give the answer will give this answer. It does not vary from one person to another. The answer is objective. So this is a next one, second one. the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Here we have the collection of 10 most talented writers. Now, each person will have their own way of defining most talented writer. Each person will have different ways in which he can write 10 most talented writers. So, hence this collection will not be well defined. So, hence this is not a set. So, this is a next one, team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Again, best cricket batsmen, how they are going to be defined, on what basis they are going to be chosen best cricket batsmen, it all varies from person to person. So, this is also not a. Next one, collection of all boys in your class. This is a first it is. Next one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. All natural numbers less than 100 includes 1, 2, 3 up to etc. till 100. So, it is going to be the same whoever write this collection. So, this is a. Next one is a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Prem. Again, this is going to be the same because all the collection of novels Munshi Premchand does not vary from person to person. It is going to be objective. So, also a. Next one, a collection of all even. This is again a. Next one, we have the collection of questions in this chapter. We can have the entire collection of questions in this chapter and it is well defined. So, this is also a set. The next one is a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Here, the most dangerous animal, which animal we say as most dangerous vary from person to person. One will have the first animal as snake, another will have some other animal. So, like that varies. So, hence not a. Next question, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belong to in the blank space. The first one is 5. Do we have 5 in our set A? Yes, it is. So, 5 belongs to. Second one is 8. Here, do we have 8 in our set A? 8 not belong to. Third one is 0. 0 there in our set A? No, 0 does not belong to. Fourth one is 4. We have 4 in our set A. So, 4 belongs to. One is 2. The 2 is in set A. Yes, there. So, 2 belongs. Last one is 10. Don't have 10 in set A. Not belongs to. Next question says, write the following sets in the roster. First one is A is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and minus x less than or equal to x less than. So, here we have minus 3 less than or equal to x. If it is less than or equal to x, then we have to include this. On the other hand, here we see x less than 7. There is no equal to sign here. So, we should not include 7. We have to exclude. So, the values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So, 1, 4, 5 and so here side we have less minus 3 less than or equal to x. So, I am including minus 3 whereas x is less than 7. So, we should not include 7 here. We have to stop with. Next question, B is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number less than. So, they have not given less than or equal to 6. They have given only less than 6. So, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The third one, C is equal to set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So, it is given x is a 2-digit natural number. So, we have to check from 10 to 99. All numbers have the sum of its digit as 8. So, after 10 we will see 11, 12 up to etc. 19. That only 17 has got the sum of its digit as 8 because 1 plus 7 is 8. Then we will move on to 21, 22 up to etc. In that, in 20 series we have 26 has sum of the digits as 2 plus 6 is 8. Then next we have 35. Sum of the digit 3 plus 5 is. Next have 41 under 41, 42 up to etc. 50. 44 has sum of the digit 8. Under 51, 52 up to etc. 60. 53 has sum of its digit as 8. Under 61, 62 up to etc. 70. 62 has sum of the digit as 8. And 71 has sum of the digit as 8. And so this is the set C written in the roster form. Next one, D is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So, it is given x is a prime number and it is a divisor of. So, we have to check what are the various prime numbers that divides. So, the various prime numbers that divide 60 are 3, 4 is not a prime number, then 5, then 6, 7 all 7 does not divide 6. So, the answer is and 5. Next one is E is equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Here set of all letters in the word trigonometry are R, I, E, O, N. We should not include this O because already we have one O here. Then M, this is E. Not include T because T is already included. R is also already included and Y. So, E is equal to TRIGONMEY. The next one, F is equal to the set of all letters in the word better. So, here the word better has got BETR. So, the set includes E, E, T. Next T is repeated, it should not be included. Then E is also repeated, it should not be included. One is R. So, the answer is E, E and R. Question, write the following sets in the set builder form. So, it is given 3, 6, 9 and 12. So, all these are multiples of 3. So, we can write this as set of all x such that x is equal to n, where n belongs to n. This n denotes natural number and here we are having only 4 elements. So, we have 3, 6, 9 and 12. So, our n varies from 1 to So 1 less than or equal to n less than or. So when n is 1, x is 3. When n is 2, x is 3 into 2, 6. When n is 3, x is 3 into 3, 9. When n is 4, x is 3 into 4, 12. So this is how we can write the given roster form. The set as set builder form, the set of all x such that x is equal to 3n, where n belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to. Next one is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. All these are powers of 2 is 2 raised to 1, 4 is 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 is 2 raised to 4, and 32 is 5. So we can write this as set of all x such that x is equal to 2 raised to n, where n belongs to n and n varies from 1 to 5. 1 less than or equal to n. Next question we have 5, 25, 125 and 625. So 5 is 5 raised to 1, 25 is 5 square, 125 is 5 cube, 625 is 5 raised to. So this we can write in the set builder form as set of all x such that x is equal to 5 raised to n, where n belongs to n and here n varies from 1 to 1 less than or equal to n less. Next one, it is 2, 4, 6 up to x. So here it is given dot 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 means it extends up to infinity. Here 2, 4, 6 means it is all even natural. So this is equal to set of all x such that and n L. Next one is 1, 4, 9 up to etc. 100. Here all these are square numbers. First one is 1 square, one is 2 square, one is 3 square up to etc. 100 is. So this is equal to of all x such that x equal to where n is a natural number and n varies from 1 to 10 less than or equal to n. So this is how we can write the given roster form notation in the set builder. Next one, list all the elements of the following. First one, a is equal to set of all x such that x is an odd natural number. So this is equal to all odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. One, b is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and minus half less than x less than 9 by 2. Here if it is an integer, then we have minus infinity up to etc. minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 up to etc. plus infinity. So here writing it minus 0.5 less than x less than 4 point. So this one is not less than or equal to, it is only less than. So all the integers between minus 0.5 and 4.5 are 0, 1 and next one. C is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer, x square less than or equal to. So, the various values of x where x square less than 4 and x is an integer, we have to see all those. So, you know that minus 2 the whole square is equal to 4, that is less than or equal to 4. So, 1 is minus 2, 1 minus 1 the whole square is 1, it is less than or equal to 4. So, next is minus 1, then 0, then 1 and r. Next one, equal to set of all x such that x is a letter in the word royal. Here, so the elements are L, O, Y. Not include L because L is already there. Next one is E is equal to set of all x such that x is a month of the year not having 31. So, we have to look for all the months do not have 35 days. So, they are February, January has 31 days, February, March has 31 days, April, May has 31 days, June, July and August has 31 days, September, October has days, next one is f is equal to set of all x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes. So, we know the alphabets which precedes k are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, but the condition is given x is a consonant. So, various alphabets which precedes k are A, B, C, D, F, H, but they have asked only consonants. So, these vowels not. So, the set is D, F, H, one. Match each of the set on the left the roster form with the same set on the right described in set vector form. First one is the set 1, 2, 3, 6. So, we will see A, the first option. A is set of all x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Here 6 is not a prime number, so cannot choose A. Next option B is set of all x such that x is an odd natural number less than 10, also not applicable. Next we will see C, set of all x such that x is natural number and divisor of. So, this is the value correct option for first one is next one. Second one is 2 and 3. We will check with the first one A, set of all x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of. So, one matches with the second one. So, the answer for second. Third one is M-A-T-H-E-I. So, here we can easily see matches with, that is set of all x, it matches with set of all x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. Third one is we are left with the fourth one. Is the set 13579 is set of all x such that x is an odd natural number less than answer for the fourth. I hope this video was useful for you. In my next video, I'll be discussing about various types of. Thank you for watching.